Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing spring rolls. Spring rolls you may have heard from at a Chinese restaurant, and they may have been deep fried. But today we're going to be using rice paper instead of flour paper. And the difference with rice paper is that it stays raw. So you have fresher ingredients and it's a heck of a lot better for you. So stick around and enjoy the recipe. We're starting out with a pound of shrimp that we're going to marinate for 30 minutes. Let's add a tablespoon of sesame chili oil, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon each of Thai seasoning paste, and miso paste. Next, we're going to add the zest of 1 lime, making sure that we only get the green part since the white part is bitter. We'll also squeeze the juice of that lime into the shrimp as well. Give that a good mix and seductively massage the marinade into the shrimp. Make sure that they are very well taken care of. If you like these recipes, why don't you go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, then you'll be notified on the next recipe if you click that little bell icon. Next, we're going to make our peanut sauce. We'll need a half a cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, and a few dashes of fish sauce for flavor. You can measure that with your heart. We're going to add a teaspoon of water at a time, stirring after each addition until it becomes smooth and coats the back of a spoon, otherwise known as nappe. There is the peanut sauce. Now we're going back to our spring rolls. We're going to julienne our carrots and cucumbers. Cut your carrots into about 2 to 3 inch sticks so that they'll fit well into our spring rolls. After we've done our carrots, we're going to julienne our cucumbers as well, and keep them a bit longer since they are softer than the carrots. Just make sure that you cut the tips off, and only the tip. Next, we're going to mince 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to take a bundle of green onions and chop the greens off into about inch-long slices. After we've chopped the greens off, we're going to finely slice the whites. Now that we have done all that, we're going to give a rough chop to our cilantro and give it a good fluffing to make sure everything looks pretty. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to a hot pan on medium heat and add your green onion whites and garlic to saute them until they are both fragrant. Once you've got that nice scent going, we're going to add our shrimp with all the marinade into the pan. Cook your shrimp for about 5 to 8 minutes or until they are firm in texture and the marinade has thickened. Now we're going to cook our rice noodles. Just follow the packaging instructions since each noodle is different. After our noodles have cooked, we're going to drain them and run cold water over top of them to stop the cooking process and also so they won't burn our hands. Now to assemble our spring rolls. We're going to take rice paper, place it into a bowl or pot of cold water, fully submerged for about 2 to 3 seconds. Next, we'll add our carrots, cucumber, our shrimp, and our noodles. We're also going to add cilantro, some fresh mint, and basil. Use Thai basil if you can find it. Now we're going to wrap it like a burrito, folding in the sides to make sure it's tight. But if you can't wrap it like a burrito, wrap it like something else, just to make sure nothing gets out. Once you've wrapped it, the rice paper should stick to itself, so there's no need for any egg wash or binders. Now that you have the final product, share this with your friends and family with a side of peanut sauce for dipping. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, And if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye!